What it do, YouTube? Back with a review of Tone from A&P. Yes, I went out day one at Target. I went out, and this is not a paid sponsorship, but hey, Duke, Kai, Phantom, Davis, Chris, Agent, Double O. If y'all want to give me a sponsorship, I'm not gonna say no. And y'all can send me some more of this. Like, I just went out and did this morning, man. They weren't even prepared this morning, man. They still had it not even on shelves yet. But yeah, got the lotion and cocoa vanilla. We got the deodorant and fresh. I got 3 of these. I need to start using these. So I went and got 3. These is the lip balm vanilla mint. I went and got the body wash, same thing. You know, Mineral Springs as deodorant. And then, you know, just got the cologne on the go, you know. You said it just came out, might as well, like, you know, going to try it out just for the go. I got some Savant, that's how you say it, as my main cologne, but you know, try some on the go every once in a while, just see how it do. But yeah, let's start with the smell test of each one of these things. So we're gonna start with the coconut vanilla. This is the only thing I went different, because this is the only thing that had in stock. But it's like, hey, maybe I want to mix the smells together, see how it goes. I ain't gonna lie, this smells good. Hey. Hey, she might love you after you put this lotion on. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey. Ooh, that cocoa vanilla. Oh my God. All right, let's go to the deodorant. It's supposed to last up to 48 hours of protection. All right, decent for your armpits. You know, I don't know how many people want to smell your armpits, but if you have a girl who likes smelling armpits, this is low key decent. Low key. I know I said 48 hours, but if you don't apply deodorant every day, you're nasty. I don't care what deodorant. It can say 2 years. You better apply it every day. That's how I know you don't take baths if you apply it once every 48 hours. Let's go open this up. Let's give them a little this with a little mint scent to it. Yeah. This is going with me tonight to the rink. Yeah, this. Hey, I'm putting this on tonight for the rink. I ain't gonna lie to you. Try it all out. Yeah. You might get a kiss after you put this on, guys. I ain't gonna even lie to you. All right, it's the body stuff. God dang, good sealing. So this is a stronger scent than the deodorant. All right, this body wash might be a go. I ain't gonna hold you. It might be a go. Now, this is the new product. This is the thing they filmed in a commercial with the clones and the cologne. Play on words. I don't know, that smell good. How long do this last though?
Let the band play.
So this is things supposed to do it throughout the day. So, like, yeah, this is on the go. Like, you just got done hooping, you about to go see Gal. Hey, spray this on. But It giving Axe vibes, no lie, and no disrespect, because this price is $20. So, but it's like, smell like a little higher quality though, like a little higher quality than Axe. And I ain't gonna lie, spraying it on me, it don't feel as sticky as Axe, and I appreciate that. With Axe, if you know, you know, you can use Axe to get a Sharpie off a table. So this don't feel like the stickiness of an Axe, but it do feel like some type of cologne. I wouldn't say this replace your, if you got expensive cologne, but this is good, like what it's like on the go, like throughout the day, just a little refresh. Like my Savage cologne lasts 8 to 10 hours, where this, we even got a time frame on here. Like it don't have a time frame, but it's a reapply throughout the day for best results. So yeah, it ain't lasting hours on hours on hours. It's throughout the day, so you can always smell refreshed. But let me see how this lotion feels. Hold up. God damn. A lot of fun. I ain't gonna lie, nice and smooth. I ain't gonna lie, you smell it on the rub end though. Like before I did like this, I could smell it, and it's like, ooh, let me smell my hands. So, and I appreciate the pump, because I got some, and it's like the squeeze. I appreciate this. It's like easier to, you feel me? Then you feel me? 2-hand action. This is a 1-hand action. If you really want, you can just really, you feel me? But overall smell test, a W. I had to find use for this, because I'm not gonna lie, when I'm going out, I'm wearing my expensive cologne. I might try this out like on a day-to-day work day, or you feel me, just a little quick, you feel me, not on a date, but like I'm just chilling with a little lady friend, you feel me, just pulling up, you feel me, just something quick to spray on, so I don't have to waste that cologne. But I'm gonna try this deodorant. I normally use Secret. I know it's a female deodorant, but hear me out, it works. I tried, I remember I was in high school, I tried to use Right Guard, and it was like, oh, this is a fish deodorant for the NBA. I was like, yeah, I gotta use it. That's how they got me. I gotta use it. Went and bought some. Worst investment. And it wasn't that it didn't work. It was, it had a negative chemical reaction with my body. So I was running cross country at the time, and cross country is August, so it's the heat of summer, and we running outside, and literally I used that deodorant for 3 days, and I guess when it sweat, it dripped down my arm. I had rashes from right here all the way down, and then on the other arm I just had it in the armpit. I was like, what is going on? What's going on? I ain't never had this happen. What's going on? And literally I stopped using that deodorant and went back to Secret. Something just told me to go back. I didn't know what it was, but as soon as I went back to my Secret deodorant, the rashes went away. I wasn't itchy. I was, god dang, the whole time running. All because of Right Guard. But I don't even know if they still exist. They probably do. I ain't seen a commercial in years. But that's my review. AMP, if you want to pay for a sponsored video with Tone, hit me up. My Instagram is the same thing as my YouTube name. So hey, hey, I ain't gonna charge you arm and leg. I'm gonna do it real cheap. You gonna be like, hey man, I'm gonna have to, man, cause Tone, it sets the tone. Hey, but hey, appreciate you watching the video, man. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Godspeed.